Okay guys, so we are going to be making some slime. So yeah, but before we do that, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, let's get to making it. So first, I'm gonna add a little bit on the table. Just a little bit. That should be good. I'm not gonna be making a lot.
My favorite food is a chocolate chip cookie for dessert. But
Right.
when it comes
It
to
won't
food,
close.
chicken
Alright,
or
there we go. Now, we added the magic stuff.
I know people don't like all of our man.
Is that good? Now we're gonna be. No! Already turning into slime. Yo! Here, collecting the activator. Sorry, Nick Wilkins, but I'm playing your video in the background. My God. We.
Let's move the products away from your situation.
I think it's a little too watery, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. And that should be good. Hold on.
Okay. Do you want to read the chat?
I'm trying to find which one it's
You can read the chat.
Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of activator.
What grade are you?
That should be good. Francis, you're only 4'6"? 4'11". Yo, I think it's turning into. Is that slime?
He wanted to do it and he did it Donald Duck, which is so funny. I forget how good he is. Oh my God! Oh, you lose your cat mutation? My little brother was locked in. Okay, that's interesting. Who has more radios? Well, I never.
It's so sticky. Oh guys, I have to do this thumbnail. Should I do a thumbnail? Uh-oh. Alright guys, hold on. Well, yeah, that's the slime right there. It's pretty good. I think I over-activated it a little too much, but... But yeah, alright, I'm gonna do the thumbnail. Okay, guys, I think. Hold up.
They don't want to talk about the situation. Why don't you let me just be me on that, okay?
Okay, guys, we got it. We're good. We got it. Okay.
Alright. No.
How do we make another batch?
That is something that you don't know. I have decided that even if
Guys, you want to make another batch?
situation. After all, just all this stuff I've kind of done this whole year.
Yeah, I over-activated it a little too much. Does it melt? It does melt, guys, look. It melts. Let's make another batch. I feel like that was fun. That was fun. I look like a furry. Making another batch. Oh, that is good. That's good. Now we're gonna add the activator. I think that's good. That's good. Right now, we're gonna mix it. Guys, comment down below what your favorite YouTuber is. Comment down below what your favorite. It's thundering. I could hear it. It's thundering. You guys better like and subscribe. I'm making a YouTube video in thunder.
I'm sick right now, and I think Francis is
No, it's the same.
It is the same.
Alright.
I need to make a video out.
Oh shoot.
Alright, I think it's mixed. But
There we
I
go.
never said how it probably should. I
Alright.
just said it's thick. I don't know if this video out. I think I saved out there. Not really sick. Okay. Oh my god, somebody would.
This is fun. I don't.
Have you ever thought about?
Oh, that's stretchy. Tell me if I should make more videos because this is fun. This is really fun. Ugh. Yo, it's slime. I don't like that.
Nick is in a so don't get your hopes up.
If Nick Wilkins sees this, I'm sorry. YouTube, please do not take this video down. I need it. I need this. YouTube, you might be ruining my dreams if you take this down. Ooh, 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 it's drifting. Stretch test? Ooh, that's a stretch. Alright. Cleaning up my table.
Oh, looks like they have skin. That's crazy.
Alright, guys. Guys, tell me in the comments if I should be making more videos like this because this is fun. This is actually really fun.
Next, what is the next step? So, the next step on the video is
By the way, I got this idea from Nick Wilkins. So, W. Nick Wilkins. If I'm saying his name wrong, I'm sorry.
No, 4. We added 4 times. No, 5. 5 T S E.
Oh, I love the glue drying. Alright, stretch test. Ooh, that's stretchy. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get a paper towel. No. Yeah. Alright, we got the paper towel. Clean up all this activator.
someone said buy your own. Does that mean let's just send another file? Hi, Francis. Hi, Francis. I don't know why that's what I call Francis. I call Francis. They said, love watching the videos, and Francis is hilarious. So are you always.
This is proof I clean up my messes.
You really mean that.
Now my dad won't get mad at me. But guys, I think we did a good job on this. Slime. Here's a stretch test. Yeah, we did a good job. Wait, does it rip? Yeah, it rips. Ah! My God, dude. Why do I keep doing that? Slap it. Alright. Ooh. Off camera, I made this clay slime, which is, I made a big batch of it. Stretches nice. Wait, guys, should we make like a big batch? Let's do it. Alright. I'm making the biggest batch ever. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, guys. This is going to be the biggest batch of slime I've ever made.
Alright, 3 tablespoons baking soda since we used
And
the tutorial said
I'm sorry, Mom. Mom, I'm sorry for making your island a mess. But I might be doing a house tour. I might be doing a house tour. Alright, we need to get some more activator up in here. AKA magic liquid. Yeah, magic liquid. Right. Making my hands cold.
You've seen videos. Yeah, Francis hasn't been online. He's also kind of not allowed to be posting really right now. Like on just because he's so young. I just don't think it would be best to just post.
No.
That you should be making your own content yet.
Smell like hand sanitizer.
I started making videos online. Well, I posted one when I was in like 7th grade, kind of when I started, but when I actually started doing it, it was like freshman year of high school. And I never went to college. Oh my gosh, wait, it's really becoming more slimy. Like, more like, this does look good. It like looks good. You know what I mean? Like to eat.
Wait, what does this look like? Banana.
They look like marshmallows. I think I started YouTube like 2 months ago. Yeah, and I'm underrated. I'm not a very big YouTuber. But guys, I try my hardest, okay? I don't really edit that often. I had an account that had like 50 subscribers, but then my Google account got deleted, so then that YouTube account got deleted. So yeah, I made a new one. So yeah, guys, the reason why I started YouTube is because I see a lot of people in my class do it, and I thought it was like really fun and cool when I first started. So, yeah, that's how I started my YouTube career. I got jealous of my friends at school that were making YouTube videos, and now I started making them. I know. Oh, I cleaned my hands. I don't understand how slime gets created, but if there's a smart person that can tell me in the comments, please tell me, because I don't really pay attention in school. I don't. Trust me, I don't.
I'm gonna do 3. 3 contact solution.
I don't know why I'm doing
Alright, start mixing.
I know I'm only a 10-year-old
Oh my gosh, it is.
starting a YouTube career, but that's a good time to start. And my thing, here is some information and some tips for me to become a better YouTuber. So, you gotta clip like everything that happens, like literally everything. Like clips. You can steal stuff from CapCut. I mean, it's fine stealing stuff from CapCut. Just give the credit in the comments so then people don't get mad at you.
This is the acronym, right?
But yeah, the thing about stealing stuff from CapCut is that you're spreading the creators' work in the world. So then, if you tag them in your video or put the credits in the comments, then people won't get mad at you, because if you don't, then that's just technically stealing. And you're a bum for that if you don't put credits in the comments and you say you made it.
Oh my gosh. I think I put too much contact.
Like how I edit my videos is I use funk edits from CapCut and there's Sonic videos from CapCut. So yeah. If you wanted to know that, I told you. Alright, now it's not sticky anymore. Alright, we're gonna start collecting the slime from the side. Oh, don't stick to my phone, please. Alright.
You guys see this? Oh, people are donating, I just can't see it.
But if I get 50 subscribers, I will start streaming. Oh, and follow my Twitch account. I will start doing Fortnite on my Twitch account very soon when I get my Epic account set up. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. So let's get mixing this. Oh, it stretches. Let's try and make a bubble. We couldn't. Dang it.
I don't think I need as much. I'm gonna put a little bit more contact solution. It's becoming.
By the way, I have a little sister. That's her. Nope, that's her. Her name. Oh, I did it! Let's go! Her name is Cece. That's her nickname, but we call her. But her real name is Sienna. She is 1 year old, and she is cute. She is cute. She's a cute baby. She's a cute baby. But chill, Francis. My God. But guys, this is where I'm going to start making videos, is at my counter. Well, not my counter, but my mom's. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you had a great time watching this video. Bye.